We had this yesterday. Yes. This week we are dealing with the aftermath of the storm that we had over the weekend. I'm sure we're not the only people to have things broken, but we still got to fix it. In the last video, pretty much the greenhouse was lifted up by the winds, which were probably going about 100 kilometers an hour. Took the greenhouse, lifted it up and threw it about 20 meters down the road. We were able to get it in and take off the polycarbonate so it wouldn't break the metal even more. Our front gate has ripped off, so we need to solve that as well as soon as possible, because we have a lot of stray dogs around here, and they love the smell of chickens. and
also not safe for flame.
And not safe for flame as well. So basically this week is just trying to solve this problem with the greenhouse and fix the gate. We're waiting for the welder. It is with Zula's uncle at the moment, so we'll get it back later today, but we need to get this sorted out. I don't know exactly how we're going to fix this greenhouse, but we need to at least sort it out. It's here on our outside beds at the moment, so we need to kind of take the wood off the bottom, so hopefully we can carry it to the other side where we can start to fix it.
Yeah, try to fix it. We will see.
Could be worse.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but anyway, let's show you what our plan is to try to fix it. This side has probably bent off there. On that side as well, it's the welds have popped off. So yeah, we have a lot of screws still left in that just kind of ripped out from the polycarbonate. On that side as well, we have wood on the bottom that kind of holds it down. Try to take the wood off so it's a little bit lighter. Try to at least move it to a flat area of the house, so we can try to assemble it back together.
You helping Daddy? Who are you, Flemmy?
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
We've just been assessing the damage to see what we need to do and how we're going to solve it. Actually, what takes the most of the brunt is this bottom 2x2 all the way down. That's the one that is the most bent. What they actually did, when we worked it out, they had these pieces of 1x1 that they cut, and they actually welded it on, even onto this pole here, so they can slide these 2x2s over it. So they put it in and they kind of screwed it. So I'm just going to undo all of those so we can get them out. Plus I'll have to weld on some new pieces, and then we can kind of assemble it back together. And hopefully we can bend it straight so we don't have to buy a new pole.
Okay.
All right, let's get this off, see if we can bend it, and see if we can straighten this out.
Yeah.
No puns, straighten it out. Bend. Putting extra screws or extra holes kind of just between the two joints, because that's where it's mostly bent. So if I screw in here, I'll be able to bend this side to screw this one in, so we can straighten it out as we put it back onto the wood. At least something. It's got a little bit of a bend to it.
But it worked.
But it works. But this is going to be the side that's going to go against the wall, so we're not going to see it. The other side is pretty straight. This side, which was the back, is now going to be the front. Or was this the front?
No, that was the front.
This was the front.
Yeah.
So the front and the side that we see the most, we're not going to see any damage to it. Maybe we can solve this. What do you think?
Hmm?
We can fix it?
Yeah, absolutely. It's easy peasy. Getting better.
Getting better. Just some corner pieces on there and then...
Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we got the bottom frame on, so everything is pretty secure. It's looking a lot better. Now it's a lot heavier, so we're gonna need 4 people to move it from here back to where it's supposed to belong. Yeah, and then it's kind of deciding what we're gonna do. If we put polycarbonate back on or if we go for greenhouse plastic, not too sure. Polycarbonate is quite expensive. They're about $55 a piece, and we need 3 of them, so that's $160, $170. We will see. We will work out what we're going to do and what's best. We got a call from Zula's uncle that they finished with the welding machine, so we can go and pick that up. When we get it back, we can carry on and fix this gate. Not our week.
Our bad luck week.
Definitely bad luck week. Unfortunately, we woke up to a bit of a shock this morning. An unidentified assailant, we presumed, came in while our gate was jammed open because it was broken. Broke our basketball glass. Unfortunately, we cannot show you the footage of the incident, but very disappointing. So that's another big expense that we're going to have to fix. We're going to have to clean it up this morning. Yes, we can probably get another front for it. It is possible, but it's going to take a bit of time.
The moment we can't.
Yeah, exactly. So really disappointing. It was really fun for us to come out and throw some hoops. Anyway.
Yep.
Crazy week. So we need to get that at least cleaned up, since there's glass everywhere and it's a bit dangerous for flame. Plus he can't go there at the moment because the wind is still making pieces fall off.
Yeah.
So yeah, but anyway, we need to get that cleaned up, and then we need to hit and get this gate refixed up so that at least it's not easy
safe.
access. Yeah, but safe. We've been having dogs coming in and out all the time as well because they love the smell of the chickens. So yeah, what can I say? Disappointing.
No word.
No words. All right, we need to crack on and solve this problem, get this gate sorted out as soon as possible. See how my welding skills are. If we had this yesterday, yes.
A different story.
Daddy.
Yeah, we're fixing the gate.
What were you fixing?
Gate
What happened to the gate?
is broken.
Who's broke it?
Wind.
Wind.
Hopefully it'll move. Otherwise we need to get some wood or try to somehow move it. So this is the side of the gate that broke off. It's a bit rusty, so it was going to break eventually. Our plan is, of course, to make a new gate, but not yet. It's only hanging on a small bit there. I can't take this off because they actually welded the gate to this so that you can't lift the gate off. I know it's a safety feature, but it just makes it annoying. It would have been easier to take this whole thing off, weld it and put it back on. So a bit tricky. This is kind of like really rusted, so just gonna cut it off, try to clean it up as much as I can, and if I have to take some other pieces of metal to hold it together, at least we need to get it closed today. Fortunately, even though we're quite far from any power supply, we have the EcoFlow. We can at least use some power here and get this sorted. this one you can't take off, so I have to weld it here. So I figured I'm going to try to use this, hold it up this side, hold it up with some bricks that side, and try to get it level, clamp it in, weld it up.
No, I can do it. I'm strong.
Welding time.
Yeah, baby.
Let's see if I still have it from last year. But actually I like welding. It's really fun. It's not perfect, but it works. But at least I can still remember how to weld. So that's okay.
That's good.
On the other side as well, it's just a little bit broken. I'm going to clean it up and just weld it a little bit as well so it doesn't break. It's not even welded here or here. It's only welded on this side. But I can...
There was before.
Yeah, who knows. Okay, flip it off.
So we don't have any greenhouse.
Yeah, no greenhouse.
We have no greenhouse, Flemmy.
But actually having no greenhouse has given us a thought. So we've actually made a decision to change the raised beds. Hello, Flamey.
Hello, Flemmy.
When we had the greenhouse here, we just kind of made these raised beds without actually having a back on them, because it was kind of complicated to kind of dig everything out. So we thought, oh, okay, we just put it on the front and then we can fill it up with soil. But now that we actually don't have the greenhouse here at the moment and we're going to put it back in a day or two, we thought that, okay, instead of having two layers, since we have the wood and we don't need to buy any wood, we're going to take it down to one layer and use that wood for at the back. I think that's going to be a lot nicer.
Yeah.
Plus we can use a little bit less compost to fill it up. We don't need to have it so high. We built this, now we unbuild it. Now basically we're just going to take off two layers, take off the top layer, cut the poles, reassemble it on the sides, on the back, and then it's ready. So then we can just bring the greenhouse, pop it back, fill it up, and start growing.
Yep.
I heard you want to leave this place, but we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind.
Hello, Flamey. I love you.
We'd always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see, could hear the water
And then I just cut it off.
River's gonna cry when you're gone. Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by. Leave a mark in our minds to turn the memories.
That looks a lot better. Now we just got to get the greenhouse on top of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
There.
Get that one.
So, let's put the hole. I can do it.
Okay.
There, like this.
Yes. This is our third year of raising the chickens. It's really easy. We have our incubator. So this year we are trying different breed from our friends. So will be different chickens for this year. So it's exciting.
And lot the colors.
Lot of different colors. Yeah, like a rainbow.
We make a rainbow chickens.
Yes. Rainbow chicken? Is it nice? Here you are. Thank you. It's nice to always have a little help from Flame. After 21 days, we have lots of baby chickens. Hey, Flame. Rainbow baby chickens. Yeah?
There.
Thank you for help. Mwah.
Say good night.
Good night.
See you soon, babies.
See you soon, babies.
I'll see you soon.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
See you soon. It's working.
Time to plant our cucumbers in the bed. So rest of the I planted already. When it gets a little longer, and then we from up the roof to tying up. At the back it's a cucumber because they're growing really tall. And then next one it's an aubergine. They will grow like about 50-60 centimeters. And then we have a zucchini up there. They will grow like 40-50 centimeters. So and then we have each plant is in between. We have a nice flowers and growing. The flowers will be protect our plants.
It's getting kind of full in here. We have things pretty much in every single corner. But this morning, Zula and I were just moving some things around. We need to start potting up a lot of the tomatoes and peppers and chilies and things.
Rest of the stuff.
So for the next month, this greenhouse is going to be really full. So I'm busy taking some of the old potting mix we had from last year, just adding some new fresh compost to it, and adding maybe a bit of perlite and a bit of peat moss just to lighten it up, mix it up, and then we're going to start doing the final pot size for everything. But it's okay, good work.